recording. Now it's recording. So it's time to put play on this shit. We're gonna do it. Screwdriver shit.
Screwdriver business.
It's the business.
This is really sad. It's already.
Oh fuck! No!
Oh god!
What the fuck? I ain't even fucking looking.
Oh god! That glass went up. Ew! That glass went up.
See the blood spurting out.
That glass went up.
Turn the
Glass, dude, stuck a squirting. Look at all that blood.
And screwdriver.
It's not done yet though.
What
the fuck is wrong with this guy?
Handle first.
What is he doing?
The whole handle's down there.
What is this? Why is the blood all over the floor? Man, that was fucking nutty.
Why is the blood all over? Because he just put a screwdriver down his penis.
I know, but like, he was like, okay, I'm gonna go bleed in the bathtub, and then I'm gonna go bleed in the sink.
Ew,
on the floor.
ew,
That was
ew,
good.
ew, ew. No, I'm not fucking watching.
I actually thought that.